Welcome to Hyundai of Greeley. This is our 2017 Tucson Night Edition. Probably one of the coolest cars that Hyundai makes. BBS wheels. This is a special edition 1.6 turbo Night Edition that Hyundai does about twice, every 2 or 3 times. Every 2 or 3 years they'll come out with this, and it's of course a limited production. You see the black contrast offsets the white perfectly. You've got cross rails up here. You also have a panoramic roof, which is awesome. Here's your automatic lift gate in the rear. Everything's extremely clean on this car. It is a certified Hyundai. You have a spare tire, of course, intact. There's your rear seat, driver's area, racing pedals, power seat, heated seats. Again, this is a Night Edition 1.6 turbo. And we're going to put the hood down. And there it is. There's your Hyundai. This is at Hyundai of Greeley. This is available right now. Again, Hyundai of Greeley, 2017 Night Edition Tucson. Thanks for watching.